tip is, I don't know if you can see. Alright, there's a water mark there. I purposely left that. Now, another tip, if you notice it on the way out, you can take your finger, you can use it as a microfiber rag or a magic eraser, but it has to be a clean finger, and you can actually just buff it out. Alright, now the good part about having this combo tool, precision glide type squeegee, where is it? Alright, hold on one second. I've been keeping this tool on me for the simple fact that if you have a mark like that, let's say it wasn't within arm's reach and it was up high, you happen to be on a different angle and you notice it, what are you going to do to get it out? What, you going to put that rag on a pole and sit there and buff it out, and it may not come out like you want it to because it accidentally dried? It's easier to catch a mark like that while it's wet and you put the rag on the pole. Only problem with that is a lot of times you don't see it until it's dry. So what you could do is, in a case like that, if you have a tool like this, you could just, you see this stays wet. It's enough where you could just catch that little mark. Alright? And be done with. And you really won't have nothing to wipe up. Now that's for if it's up high out of reach. I'm not saying to have a small tool like this on such a huge window, but let's say you make one and it's an 18, or let's say you make one that's a 24 or 30 inch. The same concept applies. You use this to catch that mark without fear of remopping the window and using too much excess water for one little mark, or putting a rag on the pole and sitting there trying to buff the heck out of it. This is what I call working smart. That's today's dual wagtail tip Wednesday. Peace, peace, peace. Alright, also as I mentioned before, those gear ties you get from Walmart, I told you, you guys need to stay with these. If you want to get a setup like this, this is where it comes into play. So you have some, I mean, you could use zip ties, but how you going to unfasten it when you're ready to use it? These are perfect for that. I keep one on the pole for this reason alone. Not only just to keep it from dangling and hitting the window, it can stay out of the way, but when I'm finished, I could just wrap it around the pole. You know what I mean? So, there you have it. Dual Wagtail Wednesday tips.